Okay, we have our model. Let's test it a little bit. Before testing, let's clear our chat. To clear chat, just click this refresh button and it's gonna delete everything. It's gonna refresh everything, which is super. We can start from the scratch. Let's ask something like, what's 1 + 1? For example, I'm not sure, just in case, want to ask LLM, okay, 1 + 1 = 2. This is good beginning. Then let's ask something more complicated. Let's ask, and +1 even more. And let's send it. And we can see that inside of the output, the LLM is a little bit confused because it doesn't really understand what we want. Why this is happening? Because right now we don't have any memory about what is going on. So every message that we are sending, it is basically completely new message. It doesn't really know about the history or previous interactions. How we're going to solve this? You guessed right if you thought about the memory. So next we're going to click on the memory and see what exactly we have to choose from. Here we have used multiple different memories, but in our case, we're going to use built-in simple memory, which is really neat because it's just memory that lives on your PC and you don't really need to set anything up. It's just provided by default for you and easy to use. Just can click on it. There's just one parameter to take care of. So we can skip the session ID, session key. We don't really need this, but we need to take a look at the context window length. This is the amount of the previous messages which are going to be saved to our memory. Okay, so if you want to have more messages, more context, increase it. If you want to less, decrease it. Let's leave it 5, really good for testing, but take care of this parameter whenever you're working with this simple memory. How simple memory work? It does not really create any vector database locally. It just saves everything like a bunch of messages, just like a text. And then we are providing these messages and text as the context when we chat with the LLM. At least it used to be like that before. Maybe N8N recently updated something, but that was the case previously. We have LLM model. We have simple memory. Great. Let's check if it's work and remember something. Let's once again ask 1 not the equal +1. What it will be. Okay, it's 2. And +1. Okay, and right now we can finally see that it has memory and it gives us result 3, which is correct.